Alright guys, so I'm gonna be playing some Subway Surfers for you guys. I know it's been a long time since I uploaded a video, and yeah, so just enjoy the video. So we're gonna play some Subway Surfers. So let's start. So I'm being chased by this cop, and I don't know if that's my dog or his dog. But I think it's his dog because it's running after me. I thought all this time when I was playing this, I thought it was my dog. Because, oh, I got a K. Looks like it says because it's a king. Alright. Oh man, I died. Oh, but I got a box there. I got one time Spike his guitar. Collect 197 more to unlock Spike. My god. Okay, well let's play another time. And then after this we're gonna be the girl. One more. We need the M letter. The highest I got to was, I don't know, I gotta check my highest meters, because I know I got the highest meters in this game. But somebody above me got the highest, so, oh, there's the letter M, so I gotta go get it. Yes! Spelled out Kim. I wonder if that's, oh, and then we got a box. Okay. I wonder if the word Kim is for like a winning player. Or like a character in this game. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. But we just gotta see who Kim is. Or maybe it's just a letter. I'm not so sure. But it's been a long time since I uploaded a video. I think it was 1 month from now. Oh man. I don't know if I should. No, I'm not gonna do. Alright, then we got this box here. Man. Alright. So I just had to throw up on my screen recorder that I'm doing here on my phone. Oh no. Hold on, we gotta pause this. We gotta go back to home. Oh man, I hate these ads. Alright, so let's do me. And we'll do Trixie. Is it Trixie? Nope. Trixie. Yes. Now we're gonna go with her normal outfit. And then we'll go back to the menu. Sorry for the ads. Alright. Alright. Sorry, my brother's playing Call of Duty World War II. Maybe oh yeah, I forgot. I was supposed to do Call of Duty World War II on my gaming channel, but I haven't got to that yet. I finished the whole story, the campaign, and it was cool. A lot of graphics in there though. Me personally, I'm the person who just kind of likes graphic, or that came out wrong. That, like, I should say, like, not like graphic, but the person who's like interested into old human history. That's the kind of person I'm into, history stuff, and you know, I'm into not fiction stuff, something like wacky. That's the kind of person I'm into. I'm like, what do you call it? What's the person, like fantasy, like magic. That's like, for example, Dumbo. I'm into like circus mods and stuff. So like, I don't know what you call those, fantasies. But that's like the kind of like what I like into. Like if you haven't seen The Greatest Showman, that's like what I'm into. Like that kind of stuff. Oh man. Alright, so let's play one more time for you guys. Sorry if in the background, so it's so loud. Cause like I said, my brother can probably do it too. It's a cool game though. I definitely recommend you guys go buy that game right now and play it. It's so addicting. Oh yeah, and guys, be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like and subscribe, I'll do more of these videos, and especially Fortnite videos, because Fortnite's like my best game. And yeah, Fortnite's my life. But yeah, just go check out this channel, like and subscribe, and be sure to turn on post notifications so you don't miss the notification. If you guys push that notification bell, you'll get notified every time a new video I upload, or possibly live stream, which I'm probably gonna be doing here in a little while. I'm probably gonna start live streaming, just because I never live streamed before on my own YouTube channel, so I want to see what kind of experience I will do with my own live stream. But I'll probably live streams on mini games such as like Call of Duty or Fortnite or Crash Bandicoot, you know, any games, like, what's another game? Oh yeah, Street Fighters, like that kind of game. Mortal Kombat. I have Mortal Kombat, and it's really fun. Of course, I haven't played the game in a long time. Oh, we also have Injustice and Doom. Lot of games. We have a lot of games. Madden, WWE. But promise me that you guys will like and subscribe and see if we can get 10 likes on this video and at least 2 new subscribers. So that's total up to 4 subscribers. But yeah, just make sure you smash that like button, or should I say slice that like button. I should do that. But anyway, so I want to see how far I can get. I messed up. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like and subscribe. And I'll see you... Whoops, my bad. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye. Peace, I should say.